Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for top-rated products and in-depth reviews. Today we have an exciting lineup prepared just for you. We will be counting down the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon. These products have been carefully selected based on their performance, customer reviews, and overall popularity. Transmission fluid is a crucial component in maintaining the health and efficiency of your vehicle's transmission system. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, finding the right transmission fluid can make all the difference in ensuring smooth gear shifts and prolonging the life of your transmission. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the top-selling transmission fluids on Amazon. Get ready to discover the products that have been tried, tested, and trusted by customers just like you. Stay tuned and let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon is none other than the Toyota 00289 ATF automatic transmission fluid, 192 ounces, 6-pack. Why settle for anything less when you can have the very fluid designed by the engineers who built your vehicle? This isn't just any transmission fluid, it's a 6-quart pack of genuine 00289 ATF straight from Toyota. Picture this, 100% brand new, never touched by anything but the inside of its factory seal. You're not just maintaining your vehicle, you're pampering it with the very essence of what keeps it running smoothly. And let's talk compatibility. This fluid boasts a universal fit, making it the perfect choice for a wide range of vehicles. It's like having a magic elixir that works across the board, enhancing performance and ensuring longevity. Crafted specifically for Toyota and Lexus vehicles, it's the genuine article, no substitutes, no second bests. When you choose Toyota 00289 ATF you're opting for reliability, quality, and peace of mind. Imagine the inner workings of your car, harmonizing perfectly with a fluid designed to meet its every need. Smooth shifts, reduced wear, and optimal performance every time you hit the road. The Toyota 00289 ATF automatic transmission fluid is more than a necessity. It's an investment in the life of your vehicle. Experience the difference that genuine quality makes. Trust your car to the best. Choose Toyota. Coming in at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon is a game-changer for off-road enthusiasts. The Polaris AGL transmission fluid and Gearcase lubricant. This is not just a fluid, it's a full synthetic marvel designed specifically for the rough and tumble world of ATVs and UTVs. The AGL advantage is no ordinary claim. Polaris has meticulously crafted this lubricant to endure the severe operating loads and blistering temperatures that come with extreme duty off-roading. Whether you're riding a Ranger or tearing up trails in an RZR, this fluid is your best ally in the wild. What makes it stand out? It's all in the formula. The full synthetic blend ensures superior cold flow protection while maintaining robust high heat shear resistance. This means your critical components are shielded from wear and tear, no matter how extreme the conditions get. But that's not all. The Polaris AGL boasts a custom additive system. This isn't just marketing jargon. It's a meticulously engineered package that fights against chain wear, gear set pitting, oxidation, foam, and corrosion. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your transmission, working tirelessly to keep your vehicle in peak condition. Performance across all seasons? Check. Polaris has rigorously tested and engineering approved this fluid for all their off-road 4-stroke engines. It's not just a recommendation, it's a guarantee of unmatched performance and protection. Imagine your vehicle's transmission and gear case working in perfect harmony, protected by a fluid that's designed for the harshest conditions. That's the Polaris AGL transmission fluid and gear case lubricant, your ticket to reliability and performance, no matter where your off-road adventures take you. Choose Polaris. Choose excellence. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our list of best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon is a product that promises immediate results. Lubegard 19610 Instant Shudder Fix. Have you ever felt that unsettling jolt from your transmission? That sudden shudder that makes your heart skip a beat? Lubegard has the solution. This isn't just any additive. This is the original transmission shudder fix, revered by transmission professionals around the globe. What sets it apart? Let's dive in. Imagine a fluid that instantly eliminates torque converter shudder, providing a smoother, more enjoyable drive the moment it's added. Yes, instant relief from that annoying, persistent problem. But the benefits don't stop there. Lubegard 19610 goes beyond just a quick fix. It offers 4 times less wear than regular ATF, ensuring that your transmission stays protected and operates efficiently for a longer time. This isn't just a patch. It's a long-term safeguard for your vehicle's heart and soul. Voted as a top product by those who know transmissions best, Lubegard has earned its stripes in the industry. It's a testament to the quality and effectiveness that you can trust. Imagine driving with confidence, knowing that your transmission is operating at its best. No more shudders, no more worries. Just smooth, reliable performance every time you hit the road. Lubegard 19610 Instant. Shudder Fix isn't just a product, it's peace of mind in a bottle. Take the leap, experience the difference, and let your transmission thank you. Lubegard, because your car deserves the best. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon? Shift into high gear and hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your engine purring smoothly. Landing at number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon is a powerhouse in automotive care. Castrol Transmax, high-mileage automatic transmission fluid, 1 gallon. Let's face it, transmissions with over 75,000 miles often face a myriad of issues. Leaks, rough shifts, the kind of problems that can make you dread your next drive. But fear not, because Castrol Transmax is engineered specifically to tackle these challenges head-on. This isn't just another transmission fluid. It's a meticulously crafted solution designed to alleviate common high-mileage transmission woes. With greater frictional durability, it offers superior transmission performance, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly, even with the miles adding up. But there's more. Castrol Transmax contains additional seal conditioners. These aren't just for maintenance. They're proactive agents that prevent leaks and even help stop existing ones. Imagine the peace of mind knowing leaks are a thing of the past. And let's talk about cleanliness. This fluid is packed with extra cleaning agents that reduce varnish and sludge formation. Your transmission will not only function better but stay cleaner for longer, enhancing longevity and performance. Protecting against clutch wear and restoring smooth shifting. Castrol Transmax transforms your driving experience. It's like turning back the clock on your vehicle's transmission, bringing back the smooth, seamless shifts you remember from when it was new. This product doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Meeting or exceeding General Motors Dexron 3 and Ford Mercon requirements, Castrol Transmax ensures compliance with the highest industry standards. It even surpasses all passenger car and light truck manufacturers' warranty requirements for vehicles where a Dexron 3 or Mercon type ATF is specified. Imagine driving with the confidence that your high-mileage vehicle's transmission is protected, smooth, and efficient. That's the promise of Castrol Transmax high-mileage automatic transmission fluid. Embrace the difference and let your car perform like it's fresh off the lot. Choose Castrol. Choose excellence. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 best-selling transmission fluid on Amazon. Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid, 1 gallon. This isn't just a top choice, it's the ultimate solution for your transmission needs. Imagine a fluid so versatile, it works in 95% of ATF vehicles, including most CVTs, in light-duty applications across the US. That's nearly universal compatibility, ensuring you get the best performance no matter what you drive. Valvoline doesn't just stop at compatibility. This fluid is packed with high-performance conditioning agents that prolong seal elasticity, preventing leaks and maintaining the integrity of your transmission system. It's like giving your vehicle a rejuvenating elixir, keeping it young and agile. But there's more. Valvoline's anti-wear technology is a game changer. It improves durability and extends transmission life, helping you avoid those costly, dreaded repairs. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your transmission is safeguarded against wear and tear, mile after mile. And let's talk about resilience. Valvoline Multi-Vehicle ATF supports enhanced high and low temperature performance. Whether you're facing the scorching summer heat or the biting winter chill, this fluid maintains optimal performance, ensuring smooth, reliable shifts in all weather conditions. The full synthetic formula isn't just a label, it's a testament to superior protection. It shields against engine breakdown better than conventional fluids, providing robust defense and ensuring your transmission operates at its peak efficiency. However, a quick note for our friends in California. Due to shipping restrictions, this product is currently unavailable for delivery in your state. But for everyone else, the Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic ATF is the go-to choice for top-notch transmission care. Picture your vehicle's transmission running smoother, lasting longer, and performing better than ever. That's the promise of Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. It's not just a product, it's the best investment you can make for your vehicle's health and longevity. Choose Valvoline. Choose the best. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling transmission fluids on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.